Are you excited now?
I'm excited!
What are we gonna do right now?
Dog smushing! Dog smushing?
Mushing. This is the place where the dog musher lives.
We are ready now. Grabe, bundle na bundle. Oh.
We'll just pull her out around the dog egg where they're barking and she'll think she went on a dog egg.
Would you mind if you're gonna be on my video? I do a little vlogging in my Facebook.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our dog musher. His name is John. And we're gonna do dog sledding or dog mushing. That's what we call here in Alaska. Yeah, with my cousin. I've been here in Alaska for a while now, but I haven't done it. So this is our first time together.
Sabi ni John, yung musher, meron silang 35 na mga aso dito. May mga aso din siya dito na under training pa lang kung paano humila ng sled.
Isuko kaya yung isang dog, yung isang aso dito na hihila sa amin. Oh my. Yan.
This dog's from a village.
He's what?
He's from a village.
Oh, she's from the village.
Yeah.
What?
They're reasonably smart dogs. You know, they're not as smart as German Shepherds as a rule, but some of them are. There's a few of them that are very, very smart. And then there's others that are not so smart. I always tell people they're somewhere between beagles and German Shepherds.
Ganito pala nila sinaset up yung mga aso para ma-attach sila sa lubid na humahatak sa sled. Meron silang harness na may hook sa unahan at sa likod na kinakabit nila sa lubid na naka-attach sa sled. Kung narinig yun yung sinabi ng babae dyan kanina na isang musher din na tinitrain yata siya ni John. Sabi niya yung aso na yon is nanggaling sa village. Maraming native Alaskan villages dito at kinukuha nila yung mga galang aso at tinitrain nila para humila ng sled. Ang gagaling ng mga asong ito, tingnan nyo, nakaupo lang sila at nag-aantay. Grabe ang iingay ng mga aso. Sabi ni John, excited daw ito sila na tumakbo na kasi alam na nila kung ano yung gagawin nila. Tapos yung ibang mga aso is parang nagsasabi din na kunin mo din ako, gusto ko rin sumama.
And they're off. There they are.
They like to run.
Oh, they got so quiet.
Everybody got quiet now.
Good job, buddy.
We'll slow them down in a minute.
Are you okay back there, Nang?
You probably can't hear you. All right, Charlotte. All right, Thunder. Hup, hup. Come on, Tank. All right, Boba. Good dog, Fireball. Hi, guy. Little Joe. Hi, guy. All right, hi, guy. Hi, guy. Come on, Snickers.
There's another good view. You can see the Donnelly Hill.
Nasa 6 to 7 miles pala yung haba ng trail na to at it took us mga 30 minutes para matapos yung buong rota.
Oh, yeah, beautiful.
All right, pick me up.
Beautiful day. Look at the view, guys.
Alam nyo ba na mayroong mayamang kasaysayan yung mga sled dogs dito sa Alaska? Noong 1800s at early 1900s, sled dogs yung ginamit nila dito para mag-deliver or transport ng mail dito sa Alaska. Extreme kasi yung weather conditions dito sa Alaska, so kung hindi kayang mag-deliver ng mga barko, mga train at mga kabayo noon, kayang-kaya ito ng mga sled dogs. Alaskan Malamutes naman yung favored na breed dito ng mga aso for dog sledding kasi well-adapted sila na mag-handle ng napakalamig na weather dito sa Alaska. Siguro narinig yun na yung asong si Balto na naging national hero dito sa Alaska. Sabi nila maaaring mix ng Siberian Husky, Malamute at Wolf si Balto. Naging hero ito si Balto dahil noong naging halos frozen at bulag na yung musher niya o driver ng sled na si Gunnar Kazan, Dahil sa matinding weather condition dito sa Alaska, pinangunahan ni Balto ang sled para matapos ang final na 55 miles journey. Dala-dala ang diphtheria antitoxin sa Nome, Alaska noong February 2, 1925. Si Togo naman, isang Siberian Husky, ang isa pang aso na worth the praise din. Siya yung nagtawid sa kanila sa pinakadelikadong parte ng daan ng kanilang journey. Sa kasalukuyan, tinatangkilik pa din dito ang dog sledding. Every year, may karera dito ng mga sled dogs na tinatawag na the Iditarod. Nasa 1,000 miles ang distance ng tinatakbo nila galing sa Anchorage papuntang Nome, Alaska. Nagsisimula ito tuwing first week ng March at inaabot ang takbo nila ng mahigit 1 linggo. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami ng pinsan ko. Tinulungan pa nila akong tumayo dyan dahil sobrang bigat ng suot ko at parang nanigas ako sa loob ng sled. Kung nandito kayo sa Delta Junction, Alaska or anywhere na malapit dito at interested kayo na mag-dog sledding, pwede kong ibigay sa inyo yung contact details ng dog masher na si John para ma-schedule niya kayo for dog sledding. May bayad po pala itong dog sledding, hindi po ito libre. O siya, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Bye!